Assalamualaikum class 7. Today's our topic is narration part 2 statement. We have already done part 1 imperative sentences in the previous class. Today we are starting statements. Statement further divided into two more parts. Today we will only do first part, that is if the reporting verb is in present tense, present perfect tense or in future tense. Alright? Read this line carefully. If the reporting verb is in present tense, present perfect or in future tense. I would like to tell you that I have already given you this worksheet. So if you want to read that worksheet, you can also read that worksheet and mark this line. If the reporting verb is in present tense, present perfect tense or in future tense, two things will be focused. Change of tense and change of pronoun. Number 1, change of tense. There will be no change in the reported speech. There will be no task. Change of tense. There will be no change in tense of the reported speech in indirect speech. Alright? When we will convert a direct speech into indirect speech in statements, and if we are giving a reporting verb in present tense, present perfect or future tense, we will not change any tense in the reported speech. Alright? We don't need to worry about the tense change. Now the second point, change of pronoun. It is very simple. The first and second person will change into third person, and while the third person remain unchanged. First person means I, we. Second person you, I and you will change into third person will be like he, she or they. These are all the third persons. So I and you will change into third person like he, she, they. Alright, and third person, if we are giving a third person already, like if the sentence is written in with he is writing or she is doing and they are going, so we will not change the pronoun. The third person will remain the same. Now comes there is the first sentence, he says, comma, we are late. उसने कहा हम लेट हैं. This is the direct speech. D stands for direct speech. And which tense is it? Present tense, present indefinite, simple present tense. He says. So we don't need to change the tense here. In the reported speech, we will not change any tense when we make the indirect. He says, we will only add a conjunction, that is that. He says that they are late. We, pronoun, which pronoun is it? This is first person, we. They are talking about their self. वो अपने बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So वो क्या हो गए? First person हो गए. We will change into third person. We का third person क्या हो जाएगा? They. उसने कहा कि वो लेट हैं. डायरेक्ट स्पीच में कैसे बोलेंगे? उसने कहा हम लेट हैं. उसने कहा कि वो लेट है. Have you got it? Now in the second sentence, this is the direct speech. He just told me. Which tense is it? This is present perfect tense. With just, we can understand that this is present perfect tense by what? By just. We are not using what helping verb do we use in present perfect? Has and have. But instead of has and have, we are using here just. He just told me with the third person. उसने अभी मुझसे कहा है means उसने कह दिया, but वो अभी कहा है, that means it is present perfect tense. So we will not change the tense over here, we will only change the pronoun. He just told me that, of course the conjunction that I will change into third person. What will be the third person? He will come to your place, will change into my place because he is coming to my place ना. So उसने अभी मुझसे कहा कि मैं तुम्हारे घर आऊंगा. अब अगर हम इसे इनडायरेक्ट में चेंज करेंगे तो कैसे करेंगे? He just told me that he will come to my place. उसने कहा कि वो मेरे घर आएगा. All right, we situation. Now the third person, he will tell you. He will tell you. This is the future tense. This first was simple present. This was present perfect. This is future tense. He will tell you, I am very sorry. वो तुमसे कहेगा कि मैं बहुत सॉरी हूँ. I am very sorry. Now change into indirect. He will tell you that. Of course the conjunction. I will change into again he. First person will change into third person. He is. Now we are using is instead of am because we use is with he. We use am with I. Alright. He is very sorry. उसने कहा वो तुमसे कहेगा कि वो बहुत sorry है. Have you got it? These are all the very simple sentences, and I will also give you some homework sentences. You have to convert them into indirect speech. Okay, Allah Hafiz.